guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to replace the valve seals on the cylinder head. So if you want to hang out with me while I work, then keep watching. So I'm going to start by taking out the old valves. So all the valves are out, as you can see. I put them in this cardboard, and now it's time to remove the old seals. Okay, so I've been looking for this tool for like half an hour, but now I can finally remove the old seals. Just look at these crusty seals. Okay, so now I'm going to grind in the valves using this paste. So it's finally time to install new seals. That's it. New seals are in, so now it's time to put everything back together. So I only filmed doing one side, but my storage is almost full. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!